I know you guys are moving into the cloud pretty heavily, but your own products, and then internally supporting your internal products
Yeah.
and customers, you're moving to the cloud. How has that metamorphosis, happened? And, and how have you leveraged BlackLake in that regard?
Yeah, we really did we wanted to go cloud native, and that means different things to different
Yeah,
people. So when we kind of asked ourselves, we didn't really know. So that's when we really engaged with Black Lake Security to really get their perspective. What are other customers doing, and gauge the other customers that you have to understand what that looked like from moving on-prem where you have traditional hardware to now supporting a software-based firewall or cloud native firewall. That's really how we kind of engaged and understood where should we be going? What are the caveats when going with a network virtual appliance versus maybe Azure native firewall or AWS native firewall? And BlackLake was able to give us a lot of that data of, hey, here's example customers that are doing similar uh, architectures in cloud,
yeah.
and here's some of the caveats they ran into. So it really helped having that perspective of other customers, and also a gauge of, hey, here's what works well for this vendor versus this vendor versus this vendor. And it really gave us the a right amount of data and insights to make the decision in what's best for Epicor and for our environment to host these products behind these network virtual appliances or whatever solution is going to protect it.
Yeah, and, to add on to that, it's like we learned a lot too from your requirements and the things that were important to you, and again, we meet with so many customers on a week to week basis, and we take bits and pieces of all that, and because not one customer is the same, right? They could have similar products, different architecture,
So completely
different
different.
needs, different wants.
That's the one thing that we really found as a struggle, and where BlackLake was able to give us a little bit more clarity on it was, what are your specific needs, and here's how they relate to other different products and environments, and here's the direction we would recommend, but please, feel free to add in some insights. So that helped us gain some clarity in where we go and move forward with.